Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a tab to appear when opening the app on the Naver Map application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings icon. Click to the Open with option under the language section, and here you can select the default, translate or navigation option and just select one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.